What's up guys, your boy Brap Genius. Today I bought my dream car and I'm going to show you guys what it is. Here it is guys, for those of you that guessed, this is a 2013 Mustang GT and we're going to get into it, we're going to talk about the car. So first of all, I know this is not a car channel. My number one focus is the motorcycles. I know you guys are here for motorcycles. That will always be the primary focus of this. The goal of this car is to add extra content, so this is just going to be bonus content, if anything, for you guys. And it'll give me more to do in the winter because, as you know, my video footage that I can do in the winter is limited because of the snow and ice. I ride on the lake now when it's frozen, but even then I only have enough time, and the ice has to have perfect conditions in order for me to be able to do that. So first and foremost, I just want to say, I'm extremely humbled to be able to own this car. I've wanted this car literally since I was 4 years old. I've wanted a Mustang. So before I give you guys a rundown of the car and stuff, let me just tell you my story about why I chose this car. My next door neighbor to the right, they had a 2004 Chrome Cobra. For those who don't know what that is, I'll put a picture here. So, I mean, that car was sick, especially for the time. People looking for it now, the car still sells for $20,000+ because it's that sought after, even though it's a 2004. So that was like one of my first loves. The neighbor to the left of me had a 2004 Mustang GT that he supercharged, got bored of that, and then turbocharged. So I'd always watch him working on the car, him and his friends working on their cars, you know. And then down the street, they had a 2007 Shelby GT 500. I don't know if you can hear that. Someone's brapping in the background. Sorry, I get distracted. But they had a 2007 Shelby GT 500. And they got bored of that, sold it, and bought a 2013 Mustang GT like this one, and pro-charged it. So I've grown up around Mustangs. I've had a lot of familiarity with them, and I've always wanted one. And originally I was looking to get like a 2003, 2004, just Mustang GT or maybe a Mach 1. But when I saw this car, it was up for a really good deal, and I couldn't pass. So I sent it, you know. You gotta send it, guys, full send. So let's do a little walk around here. So it's got American Muscle wheels on it. They are staggered. I like them. I'm going to leave them. The car is not in perfect condition, which is why I was able to get it for a little bit cheaper. I just got to clean up some things, but it's not a big deal. You see right here is a little curb rash. There's a little curb rash on this wheel. All black, as you can tell. As you can see, the bumper's messed up here. The bumper's a little messed up here as well. So I'm going to fix that. I have a new bumper on the way already. The curb rash is the worst on this rim. I'm going to clean that up. I'm going to clean up these caliper covers as well. It is a 5.0. It is a manual. I got to do it. I have to have a manual. That's why I wanted this, you know. And yeah, it's got the tints on it. This car is from PA. So tints were legal. Here in New Jersey, they're not legal. So we'll see what I have to do with that. And then this is the interior. See, all brown, which I'm not the biggest fan of, but I will say it is growing on me. So there is a ton that I want to do to this car and a lot of footage that I want to get for you guys. So let me give you a little start up and let you hear what it sounds like. Alright guys, this is what it sounds like from the inside. The car is already warmed up, just so you know. Drive just to see what it's going to look like. I think part of the content I'm going to do too is when I want to make a video and talk about a topic with the car, I'm going to do like I do with the moto vlogs where you have the helmet view. I bought a little headset, so you guys will basically be seeing the view like this as I drive, and I'll be talking about the video, whatever it is that the topic is about. So I'll do a little drive quick, just maybe give you a little feel for the car, and we'll get into it. Don't make fun of me for my driving skills, because I basically learned how to drive a 5.0 Mustang GT 2.5 hours home from Pennsylvania. That's pretty much what I learned stick on. I had known it before, and I know it from motorcycles, but I've only driven maybe 3 cars that have had manual, so I don't have a lot of experience. Little sound bite for you. Alright, so I just want to give you guys a quick rundown on some of the mods that I want to do to the car to give you an idea of what I'm going to be doing. Basically, I'm going to do a build series. I'm not really going to be doing too much performance-wise. This already has, like I said, the pipes, pipe bomb exhaust, and a tune, so I don't really want anything more than that. This is my daily, but I'm going to be customizing it to make it the way that I want it to look. We're doing a custom license plate too for the Brap gang and Brap Genius, of course. But let's get into some of what I want to do. So one of the first things I bought was the tint out kit, the blackout tint kit for all of the lights. So the headlights, the side markers, the tints, the back side markers. I also bought a new front splitter for this. I bought matte black racing stripes, quarter panel louvers as well that are pre-painted, rear louvers. I bought a rear diffuser, side skirts, a GT500 spoiler, new antenna for the interior. I bought a new shift knob and a red carbon fiber dash cover kit. I still have to clean up the car. If you can't tell from the video, I don't know how well it shows it, but the car is disgusting. It rained literally the whole week since I bought it. Today's the only nice day, and I literally just got out of work like 20 minutes ago. So one of my first goals is just to clean the car. But that's just the list of some of the mods. So that's just what I'm going to do, and I'm going to do installation videos and just do little vlogs with that too. So I want to hear what you guys think. Tell me if you like the car. Tell me what you think about it. Tell me what you want to do to the car, what kind of car videos you want to see. I'm probably going to do other content with the car as well. Like I said, motorcycles are still the focus. The Mustang is just a bonus. So thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you guys are excited about this as I am. This is something I've wanted literally my whole life. So I'm just blessed to be in the situation. And I want to thank everybody that pushed me to go for it, because I did, you know. If you want something, go and get it. Later, Brap gang. Peace.